Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So I think I'm going to do a vlog for this one. So it started snowing yesterday. As much as I don't want to do this, I'm going to have to put these uglies back on. I'm going to show you guys here. Yeah, so I actually have the other stock wheels, the 18s that came with my WRX, but I bought these ones a while back as a set just because they came with the Blizzaks for the snow tires. So if I decide to post this video, obviously you guys would know, you'll see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the tires and maybe go on a little drive. Nothing too crazy. I try to avoid driving in general when it's snowing like this. Yeah, I know I have a Subaru, but I don't really care. I wanna be careful. And I also just got this Daytona jack from Harbor Freight. A lot of people don't like Harbor Freight because of their stuff and the quality, but I did a lot of research on this one and it seems to be fine. So kind of excited to use it. So let's go ahead and install these snow tires. I'm curious how low this is gonna sit just because I recently lowered the car. Hopefully I don't scrape or anything like that. I shouldn't have any issues. And I'm kind of shaky just because the garage is open and it's cold, so looks like a lot of people already try to have some fun in the cul-de-sac. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, that took like 10 minutes, but the first side is done. I have to look for the center caps for these. As a reminder, you always want to label your tires when you take them off. So this one is the passenger rear. So I'm gonna mark that one up just so I can preserve the tread wear. So yeah, let's get started on the other side. So I think for this side, I'm just gonna do one side at a time. The reason is because I'm not sure if this little jack can handle the weight of it if I lift it up. I mean, it handled it just fine on the other side, but I don't know, man. I mean, this thing saved me a lot of time, so I might go ahead and just get two of them, but for now, let's just do one side at a time. It's not a big deal. So I got everything buttoned up, got the center caps in, and most importantly, I got all the lug nuts torqued down, about 89 foot-pounds. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but the Blizzaks I got are 17s. When I have these ones sitting here, these are the ones that came stock with my car, but I'm gonna try and go for a drive while it's still not icy outside. It's a little snowy still, but I don't have any new parts to install just yet, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna post this video. But if I do post it, you obviously will see it. So I think that's it for now. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. All right, so I did my snow tires, but now we are out of power. And it's been a full day. I'll show you what it looks like outside. Look at this. The entire block. No light. Look at that. It's kind of apocalyptic. A little scary. So we never turned this on, but we figured out that it's actually gas powered. So we got that. We got these little sensor lights that run off of batteries. Got my flashlight, and then we got a gas stove so we can eat, but it's just really dark. Anyway, hoping to get some power tomorrow and then go on a drive, use my snow tires. All right, I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, I forgot to mention, we have not had internet since the power went out, and we do not have reception in our area. So been figuring out what to do. I wanted to edit some videos, but I couldn't do it. Day 2, still not looking good, but I'm gonna take the car out and just drive around the block. All right, change of plans. It's straight up ice, and we live near hills, so I'm good. Yeah, I got snow tires, but this is straight up like ice. Yeah, I know we got snow tires on, but it's not gonna do any good on ice, so man. So bored. no power. And we've been using our battery packs for the phones for the last almost 2 days, so anyway, I'll have to keep you guys updated. Oh, and I gotta manually close the garage too, totally forgot. Alright, so it's day, I don't even know, man. So we lost power Friday night or Saturday morning. It is now Monday, almost the afternoon. So we had to go to Lowe's yesterday to pick up a cooler for the food since we've had no electricity. And let me show you guys. Managed to, I don't know, I think I hit like a piece of ice and it ripped off this side of the lip. I just got this thing too, but luckily not too much damage on the bumper. The bolts that so I use bolts to install this front lip, and it ripped right through the bumper, so it looks like a clean rip. Let me see if I can get the camera under there. Yep, right there. So other than that, it's not too bad. Yeah, this front lip is destroyed. It's cracked right here. I think it made impact right here. Yeah, I don't know, I just didn't see it. But, oh well, it's $100, not a big deal. I was more worried about the bumper. Oh, and yeah, only 2 of those bolts ripped through. So this is a good thing to note. If you use self-tapping screws, the entire thing could have ripped off if you hit something, and the chances of those screws getting into your tires pretty high. So this is probably why nuts and bolts are preferred if you ever want to install a front lip. So yeah, I'm hoping to get this video posted as soon as we get electricity, but for now we've just been running off of battery packs and then charging our phones if we start the car. So yeah, it's a little rough, but you know, we'll get through it. Okay, so it is Thursday, February 18th. I haven't vlogged in a couple days, but we still don't have electricity. We lost power on Friday last week, and we've been waiting ever since. There's no ETA or anything, and so yeah, we've been staying at the in-laws house for the past few days, and it's really frustrating that we still don't have power. So I'll try to update you guys as much as I can. The car's doing fine so far, aside from my front lip that I hit a piece of ice with. Charge your battery packs, get a lot of food, and stay warm. So I'll update you guys when I can. All right, so let me get a light here. It is now day 7. It's Friday the 19th. I don't even know what the date is anymore. Still no electricity. So according to PGE, they're gonna try to restore all but 10% of people by tonight. And we're hoping that we are not that 10%. What time is it? 8:45. So it's 8:45, but it's not looking good. I'm gonna step outside here real quick. So apparently, yeah, there you go. You guys can't see anything. It's literally like pitch black. There's my neighborhood right here. See? Nothing. Nothing. There's the car. So I think this has been like the worst power outage in, I don't know, Oregon history, something like that. I have to look that up, but man, this video is turning out completely different than what I wanted it to be. A couple days, like last week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday, I mean, it was all right, you know, but not having reception or internet or anything like that, it made you go crazy. We luckily, I don't know if I mentioned this, but we have the fireplace that's off of gas, and then water that runs off of gas as well, water heater, and the stove, so we were able to shower and cook food and all that stuff. But we needed Wi-Fi to work, so we've been staying at the in-laws house for the past week, and we were hoping today's the day, but it's not looking like it. So yeah, like I said, this video is completely turning out different than what I wanted it to be, but it's kind of cool that I'm documenting this along the way. So obviously when we get power back, I will post this. So anyway, it is what did I say, day 7, day 8? I don't even remember. It's just really frustrating. Yeah, the car's doing well. I got stuck one time, but that was in the inner street, and I was able to get out because of the Blizzaks snow tires. But other than that, you know, it was doing just fine. So anyway, I'm gonna try to keep doing this on a daily basis. Sorry I missed a couple days, but I'm gonna end it here for now, and then I'll see you guys in the next day. And actually, I forgot to mention that it's always dark because I have been leaving my camera at home. And like I said, we've been staying at the in-laws house for the past week, and I just didn't want to bother, you know, trying to bring my camera and protect it from the rain and whatnot. So that's why it's always dark. But yeah, we come home, check out the house every night just to see if we have power, you know, and check to see that no one's robbed us or anything like that. So that's why. But yeah, no, we've been doing fine. We have a place to stay and all that stuff. So it's just rough, just mentally draining. Man. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. All right, so it's day 8 and we finally got our power back. I'm gonna go in the garage here. So, man, what a wild week plus, man. It's been crazy. I just can't believe, like, this was the longest power outage in Oregon history. So the fact that we were in that, I don't know, it's kind of cool, and it kind of sucks at the same time. But good news is power's back on. We're back home. I can edit some videos, and the car is doing totally fine, minus the front lip I lost the other day. But that's nothing compared to, you know, not having lights or warmth and heat and stuff like that. So for those people who are doubting snow tires, or if you think just because you have an all-wheel drive that you can drive on snow, please don't even try, man. Get some snow tires. These things literally made the car a trooper. So just something to note. You know, this kind of taught me a huge valuable lesson, that is to have a bunch of battery packs ready, have a lot of supplies like food, water, and other necessities, and make sure your car is filled with gas, just so, you know, you never know what the issues are with gas stations when something major like this happens. So like I said, we're just glad to get through it. Power actually came back earlier at around I don't know, 3 p.m. It is now 5, a little after 5. We were just spending a couple hours just putting everything together and trying to get back to our normal lives to the best that we can. But yeah, man, this has been crazy. I'm forever thankful to the Subaru for getting us through some thick snow and places I thought I would get stuck. So I'm gonna have a hard time getting rid of this car right here. You know, I'm over here just like learning. Every single day I try to learn one thing, but these last 8+ days I learned a lot of things. So, and I also learned that there are some really, really good people out there. It's honestly heartwarming and endearing how many people reached out. Especially random people, you know, just like I see through the Ring app. I don't know if you guys have the Ring app, but just people offering assistance. It inspires me to be a better person. Moving forward after going through something like this, it's mentally draining. So I just want to be a better person in general. I mean, I'd like to think I'm a good person, but I'm just gonna try to do better. It's nice seeing the entire community coming together when we're all going through the same thing. So I think that's my message for everyone, not to get all heroic and stuff like that, but man, it's just, I'll shut up now, I'll edit some videos. Hopefully I'll have this out as soon as I can. I need to get some rest. I've just been tired. If anyone else has been affected by this snowstorm in the Pacific Northwest or even Texas right now, I feel for you guys. Stay warm. Hopefully everything is good. Be prepared. And yeah, so I guess this turned into a super long multiple day vlog. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here for now. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.